Hello students, welcome once again in our English class. I think you are very curious to know about the next part of our lesson, a gift of chappals. We have seen that three children gave that chappal to the beggar, which is actually of that music masters. And then Rukmini have a doubt on that three children that they should have given the chappals to the beggar, and then see what happened next. It is the next part of our lesson. Let's see. So said Rukmani grimly, turning to the Ravi, you gave the music master chappals to that old beggar who turns up here. Rukmini asked Ravi, have you given that chappal to that beggar which actually belongs to that music masters? Children these days grown Pati. And then Pati again exclaimed that children these days are very foolish totally. And Amma, didn't you tell me about the Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earrings? He was so kind and generous. Then Ravi actually again told his mother that, hey Amma, didn't you tell me about the Karna from It is a Karna is a actually character in Mahabharata who was actually very kind and generous, and even though he donate all that things he had at that time actually. So let's see. So here Ravi exclaimed that, Amma, didn't you tell me about the Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earring? He was so kind and generous. Silly, snapped Rukmini. Rukmini said silly and snapped. And Karna didn't give away other people things. He only gave away his own. Means what? Rukmini told Ravi that, hey idiot, hey silly boy, Karna didn't give away other people things. He only gave away his own things. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. Ravi rushed brashly on. And Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? He again asked his mother that my chappal wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. And if they did fit to that beggar, would you really not have minded? What do you think, my mother? Please tell me. Ravi, said Rukmani, very angry now. Go inside this minute. Hey Ravi, Rukmini said in an angry mood. Go inside this minute, immediately. She hurried indoors and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. And Rukmini went inside hurriedly and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn. Worn means used. A wear. It is the past tense of wear. So, hardly worn new chappals. This should fit you, sir. Please put this on. And she gave it to the music master and tell music master that, sir, please wear these. It should be fit for you. I am so sorry, my son has been very naughty. And she apologized that my son was actually so naughty. The music master eyes lit up, means he was become very happy. He put them on because that chappals were very new, and he put them on trying not to look too happy, but he showed that he was not happy to wear that new chappals. Well, I suppose this will have to do. These days children have no respect for elders. What to do? And then what happened? These children, he said that these children have no respect for elders. What to do? And then what happened? See, Hanuman incarnate, only Rama can save such a naughty fellows. Rukmini's eyes flash. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey. It means what? Here, that music master told Rukmini that it is only in Ramayana these things happen. The children are like a monkey. The children are like a monkey, and Rukmini didn't like that. That music master called her child as a monkey, even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. And now she wanted that music master to leave quickly out of her house. When he had clattered off in his new chappals, she said, when he had clattered off, clatter means gone off noisily. Means when he went from there with that new chappal, she said, Mrudu, come in and have some tiffin. Come in here and have some tiffin. Honestly, how do you children think of such a things? And tell me honestly, how do you children think of such a things? Why you have all done that? Thank God your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. And thanks God your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. And I have replaced that music master chappals with Gopu Mama chappal. As she walked toward the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. But as she walked, means Rukmini walked toward the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. But she has always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappal as soon as he comes home. What's your mama going to say this evening when I tell him I gave his chappals to music master? And she again laughed herself that what your mama said when he saw that his chappal was not there. And what happened if I tell her that I have given your chappals to music master? And she laughs for that. Means Rukmini laugh for that. Like that, this lesson ends, and that gift of chappals is actually got for that music master. So this is the whole story written by Vasanta Surya actually. So thank you for hearing me. We are going to end our session here. Thank you so much.